Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The World War II Memorial is a monumental achievement in storytelling through stone and water. Positioned at the symbolic center of the National Mall, it serves as a long overdue tribute to the 16 million Americans who served in the armed forces, the more than 400,000 who died, and the millions who supported the war effort from the home front. This is not just a memorial to military victory, it is a memorial to national unity. The design by Friedrich St. Florian was intended to create a space that feels both celebratory of the triumph and solemn in its recognition of the cost. As you step down into the plaza, you're literally surrounded by the Union. The 56 granite pillars form an unbroken circle around the rainbow pool, each one representing a US state or territory as they existed in 1945. They are arranged in the order in which they entered the Union or became territories, alternating from side to side. Notice the bronze wreaths that hang from each pillar. One side features wheat for the breadbasket of the nation, while the other features oak for the industrial strength of the country. These represent the two great engines of the American war effort, agriculture and industry. They are linked by bronze ropes, a physical metaphor for a nation pulled together by a single existential purpose. Dominating the north and south ends of the plaza are the two massive triumphant arches, reaching 43 feet into the sky. One is dedicated to the Atlantic Theater and the other to the Pacific. Inside each arch, 4 bronze eagles hold a laurel wreath, symbolizing the victory that was achieved on opposite sides of the globe. Standing beneath these arches, you feel the sheer geographic scale of the conflict. It was a war that touched every corner of the earth, and this memorial is only placed in the capital, where that global reach is captured in a single architectural embrace. Perhaps the most moving element of the site is the Freedom Wall on the west side. It is covered in 4,048 gold stars. In the tradition of gold star families, each star represents 100 American lives lost in the war. There are no names here. The names are recorded in the archives and on the thousands of headstones in the cemeteries from Arlington to Normandy. Here, the sacrifice is presented in a staggering totality. In front of the wall, the inscription reads, "Here we mark the price of freedom." It is a stark, silent reminder that the liberty we enjoy was bought and paid for by those who never came home. The memorial functions as a bridge between the foundation of the nation, represented by the Washington Monument, and the preservation of the Union, represented by the Lincoln Memorial. It sits in the V of the mall's great vista, intentionally sunken so as not to block the view, but firmly rooted so it can never be ignored. As the fountains flow and the water masks the noise of the modern city, this space offers a moment of profound gratitude. It is a testament to the generations that answered the call and changed the course of history forever.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.